Hello and welcome to the Saitama Stadium. The teams then, Roma against Lille. This is Peter Drury and I'm happy to inform you that Jim Beglin has joined me to offer his expertise.
Well, thanks, Peter. There's a great sense of anticipation in this stadium. I've been hit by it too.
Here then the lineups for this game. There's the whistle, and here we go. Tries a long pass towards the front. Played it out wide, but the less said about that pass, the better. Bentaleb. Now, can he capitalise? Into the channel, Giroud. And that'll go straight through to the keeper. Al-Sharawi. Looks like a good ball through. Goes for it! It's there!
Listen, the big names earn their reputations for precisely the reason we've just seen. They have a habit of making their presence felt, and here we are, early stages. He struck one, and he looks hungry for more. I just think he showed a lovely appreciation of where that defensive line formed, and he held his run until just the right moment, and he broke the offside trap, and he took full advantage. That's top marks for me.
Roma go ahead, 1 goal to the good. Played out to the wing. And back out it comes. It's a long forward pass. Giroud. It's Cabela! He's got away with one there. Mats Hummels. Tries a through ball. Done very well to intervene. He's done well to tidy up the situation. Cuts it out. Thrust towards the front line. Now the pass. Tries the route one option. Mats Hummels gets into the right position to intercept. Pumps it upfield. Goes long. Good ball over the top. Oh, good interception. Looks to slip it through. He's gone for it! In it goes! Lille are all square! Deflection may or may not have made a difference. Little matter, it is his. Lille grabbed the equaliser and we're all square.
Oh, look, Peter, who knows what's about to happen from here? I doubt this will be the final score, though.
Forward it goes. Now it's Cabela. Al-Sharawi. Goes wide, swept in. What an adventurous run from a defender. They've managed to get it away. Played out to the right. Oh, well defended, that had to be done. Dybala. It's a throw. He ran himself into trouble there, free kick given away. He gets a ticking off and needs to be very careful now.
Yeah, and he's just entered the last chance saloon. One wrong move now, and he's in trouble.
And it's Giroud. The ball's come loose and the chase is on. Tries to dink it in. Great strike, but the keeper's equal to it. Gets up to head it! He's missed, but not by that far.
Oh, he couldn't have hit that any better, and any other time it would have sneaked in.
That's one way to make your presence felt.
Well, he went at it with great confidence, and it's not going to stop him from trying again.
Giroud. Ball's loose, who's getting there? Al-Sharawi. Mats Hummels. Dybala. 5 minutes till the break. Gets it back. None shall pass, that's the message there. Passes it through. Cut out in the nick of time.
That was just asking too much of his teammates by playing it in so early.
Hits one! Gets good distance on it. Bentaleb. Fires it in low. And the half-time whistle goes. What have we learned from the first 45 minutes?
That was a fantastic 45 minutes of football. I'm really hopeful of more of the same in this second half.
It's been a decent 45 minutes. Competitive, certainly, and a goal each. Lille get the second half started.
Lille clearly have been the better side for me. Yeah, I know the score doesn't quite reflect it, but if they go about their game in the same manner as the opening 45 minutes, things really should improve.
And that's been repelled. Looks like a good ball through. Massive leap! Big moment! Massive goal!
And now it's all about how they handle this from here. Edging ahead again in this second half is best followed up with a bold mindset, a bold approach. The skipper set the example. It's up to his teammates now to follow.
A lovely header, but really it was all about the delivery.
Well, look, it's often the timing of the jump that dictates what you can do with any header, and if you get it slightly wrong, then you'll struggle, but that was beautifully met, it really was.
Lille go into the lead.
And they deserve great credit for turning things around, but they'll now need the defensive resilience to equal that attacking flair.
Big relief, it just needed better contact. It's Dybala. Dybala tried to play it through.
Yeah, and it was a case of good awareness too. That wasn't quite matched by the right weight of pass. It only needed just a little bit more behind it, and he was through.
Roma have plenty in the middle.
They've planned to defend the aerial route and will do so with numbers.
Clears it out of harm's way. Dybala cuts a frustrated figure right now. He just cannot get away.
Well, he appears to be singled out here as the enemy number one, and he's the one that they're looking to get to first. And I think they think if they get to him, then they're probably going to stop the main threat. So I think they've got to come up with a fresh idea or two to combat that.
To the keeper and go again. Keeper's got good distance on that. Out wide to the right. Dybala. Seems now to be all about width.
Well, when you have the personnel to create in wide areas, then they need to see as much of the ball as possible.
Aim forward. Now here's the through ball. He's got the ball glued to his feet. Good run, ultimately thwarted by an astute piece of defending. Crowd appreciates good football all round there.
Yeah, it wouldn't have been the most eye-catching goal we'd seen. Ultimately, the numbers prevented him from scrambling it in.
Dybala looks to slip it through. Can he find a finish now? Giroud tries a through ball. Cabella. It's been intercepted, and that will come to nothing. Pumps it forwards. Ball's out on the left now. Lille get it back again. And that's not going to reach. Dybala with the ball through. Good run down the left. What can they make of it? He's still going. Where to next? Giroud with a shot! That is special! Olivier Giroud! And surely that clinches it. There really is no way back now.
The first touch was absolutely heavenly, and because of it, the finish was a mere formality.
He's made it three. Quite a day at the office for him.
Oh, he's been unstoppable in this match. Every single time he's been in possession, he's looked a threat.
Roma look as though they're about to make a change. Lille with two up and into a position of real strength. It's a loose ball. Tries lifting it over. Can he finish? The home support won't enjoy that.
Or maybe they're just feeling the pressure and trying a little too hard. You know, if the manager can calm them down more, I think they'll fare better.
Good challenge, he just stood firm. That's a throw. Mats Hummels. He's come loose. Well played, he saw that coming. Gets it upfield. Oh, that's clearly not what he wanted to do. And it's Giroud. Giroud was steaming forward. Comes sliding in. Bentaleb battles to win it back. And that's it. Lille have done it in dramatic fashion. A massive test of character, and they passed it with flying colours. A truly outstanding comeback by any measure. How would you sum up what we've witnessed, Jim?
Look, you often need resolve and resilience when under more pressure away from home, but I thought their efforts deserved that.
So that's it for today. Thank you, Jim, and good afternoon all.